Last episode we built date features from tenure, an honest constructed example. Now the real categorical workhorse. Telco is full of words. DSL, fiber optic, electronic check. A model can't multiply a word. Today we turn words into columns with one hot encoding. The problem first. Internet service is DSL, fiber optic or no? Those are names, not numbers, and there's no order. Fiber optic isn't greater than DSL. If we just numbered them 1, 2, 3, the model would read a ranking that doesn't exist. So we don't. One hot is the fix. Give each category its own column. A fiber optic row gets a 1 in the fiber optic column and zeros elsewhere. 3 categories, 3 indicator columns. No fake order, every category equal. 2 switches make it production safe. Drop first deletes 1 column per feature because it's redundant. If a row is neither DSL nor fiber optic, it must be no. We don't need the third column to know that. And handle unknown ignore says if test shows a category train never saw, encode it as all zeros, don't crash. And the hygiene that runs through this whole course, we fit the encoder on train only. It learns its categories from training data, then test is transformed through that same fitted encoder. Test never gets a vote on which categories exist. Here's the program. Load, split, stratified on churn, pick the nominal columns, fit one hot on train, transform both. Load and split 7043 rows, stratified 8020 on churn, random state 42. Everything downstream sees train and test as separate worlds. We list the nominal categorical columns, things like gender, internet service, payment method, contract for now, and build a one hot encoder with drop first and handle unknown or ignore. Fit on train, transform train and test. The encoder learns categories from X train alone. Watch the width. A handful of word columns expands into a wider block of 0-1 columns. We print the before and after column counts, so the dimensionality cost is visible. One hot trades a few text columns for many numeric ones. We also assert train and test come out with the same width, which is what makes them stackable into a model. The figure shows column count before versus after encoding, with the growth labeled. The headline number is the count the terminal printed. So one hot is the safe default for unordered categories. 1 column each, no fake ranking, fit on train, survive the unknown, but not every category is unordered. Next episode, contract is month to month, 1 year, 2 year, that has an order, plus a cheaper trick for high cardinality columns. If this helped, like and subscribe for more.